48 hours, zero manual coding, one complete SaaS product with 47 paying users in the first week. Here's exactly how AI built it all. Use Claude Code to scaffold the entire backend, database schema, API routes, authentication. It generated 90% production-ready code on the first pass. V0 by Versal generated the UI components while Cursor handled the integration. Midjourney created the brand assets and logo. Stripe integration via Claude Code, email flows with resend, and error handling. The AI caught edge cases I would have missed. Deployed to Versal, set up monitoring with Sentry, and launched on Product Hunt. The AI even helped write the launch copy. Want the full tech stack breakdown? Check the pinned comment. Subscribe to see the 30-day revenue update coming next week.